idinitalye na po ng kampo ni Vice President Sara yung response nila doon sa articles of impeachment in a 51-page document. So marami pong mga sinabi dito ang kampo, but primarily they're saying that the impeachment proceedings are void, being attended by evident bad faith and manifest partiality. Ano po ang masasabi ng prosecution panel doon sa naging sagot ni Vice President Sara Duterte?
Well, it only confirms our initial observation that the defense could not provide particular counter-evidence or argument to challenge, even to contest the allegations contained under the articles of impeachment. That from the very start, they've been harping about procedural objections, constitutional objections, which all of us know is already way past over that stage. So it only boils to the issue that the defense, again, we expect that in the pretrial brief, they can actually provide particular specific evidence, counter-evidence, to at least challenge, yung mga accusations. But then again, the summation of all, the summation of the case that he would like to brought forth as indicated by that statement only validates our earlier observation na kulang talaga yung kanilang pwedeng may offer sa korte. This is also in opposite, complete opposite to what we've heard during the press conference that they conducted previously, that they are ready to face and answer these allegations at the proper venue. But unfortunate, the answer that they have provided to the court is just the same rehash claim that everything is void because from the very beginning they questioned the constitutionality in the process by which the impeachment was initiated and brought to the Senate.